Hi, welcome to Grinders Coffee Roasters Signature Sips series. My name is Daniel. I'm coffee specialist for Grinders Coffee Roasters. And today we're making a sour cherry espresso coconut water topped with a chocolate foam. Basically, you need a small tumbler, some cherry syrup, some fresh ice, some coconut water, a basic chocolate foam, and a double espresso. First, what we do is add some ice to your cup, tiny bit of the cherry syrup, some coconut water. Give it a stir to integrate those flavours. Add a double espresso. And finish with some chocolate foam. So 2 parts cream, 1 part milk, and 1 part chocolate. To garnish, just add some dark chocolate and lightly grate over the top. Enjoy.